Okay, good morning, class. So today we will discuss about sea and land breeze, the monsoon, which are hanging amihan at hanging habagat, and the ITCZ or the Intercontinental Convergence Zone. Una, what causes wind? So wind is the movement of air caused by differences in air pressure, or we could also consider the differences in temperature. So this is the uneven heating of the earth produces these pressure belts which cause winds. The air rises and sinks, which is the convection current. So this happens at the node at the poles of the earth, global winds occur. So this wind moves all over the world as stated doon sa ating diagram. Okay. So the first one is the sea breeze. So sea breeze happens during the day. So the sun hits the ocean and the land. So the land heats up much quicker than the large ocean does. This causes the air above the land to heat up, rise, cool, and the air from the water moves toward the land, replace the rising or the warm water. So when the air moves from the sea, as you can see po doon sa ating diagram, no, sea to the land, this is called the sea breeze. So the temperature of the land is hot while the temperature of water is cold under the sea breeze. So this is the low specific heat capacity of a temperature is increases faster. So it is sea breeze. And how about land breeze? So land breeze happens during at night time. So as you can see sa ating diagram that the temperature in land breeze is cold and the temperature from water is hot. So a land breeze occurs near the ocean. So the air above the land cools down while the air above the sea is warm. So the cool air from the land sinks and moves towards the ocean to replace the rising warm air. So when the air blows from the land out of the sea, this is called land breeze. Okay? Naintindihan na po ba? So kapag sinabi nating sea breeze, the air moves from the sea to the land is called sea breeze. Kapag ang air naman ay nag-blows from the land out of the sea. As you can see doon sa ating diagram, ito ay tinatawag nating land breeze. Okay? Next. So, monsoon. So, monsoon is a wind pattern where it is originated in two different direction. Sa atin, sa Pilipinas, meron tayong dalawang wind pattern. Ito ang tinatawag nating una, yung northeast monsoon or amihan. So, paano natin malalaman kung ito ay amihan? So, ito po yung mga characteristics. Number one, the wind blow from the Siberian Mongolia and northern China with high pressure in the Asian continents to the low pressure area in the south of the Philippines. Okay, so mapapansin nyo, ang temperature natin mula sa China ay nasa high pressure. Then, pag bumaba na yung hangin, which is the amihan, it becomes a low pressure directed to the south of the Philippines. So, ito po yung tinatawag natin amihan. Then, ano yung mga characteristics ng amihan or the northeast monsoon? Number one, it is normally occur during the months of October to March each year. Okay? So, ito ay nangyayari every October to March. Kung mapapansin nyo, ito yung buwan na kung saan malamig. Kasi nga, yung yellow mula sa China or dun sa north side ng ating bansa ay malalamig. So, dyan din yung times na kung saan natutunaw yung mga yelo. So, yung hangin mula sa China ay bumababa sa atin. So, yung hangin na malamig ay nakakarating sa atin dito sa Pilipinas. Okay? Another characteristics. So, cold and dry and sometimes bright light rain because wind pick up moisture along the way. Okay? So, as I said a while ago, dahil nga malamig ang temperatura sa taas ng ating bansa, which is China, so yung malamig na temperatura na yon ay nadadala ng hanging amihan. Okay? So yun po yung hanging amihan. Pangalawa, we have the southwest monsoon or hanging habagat. Southwest from south going to west of our country. So the wind blow from high pressure area in Australia to the low pressure area in the Asian continent. So kung ang hanging amihan ay mula sa taas pababa, ang hanging habagat naman po ay mula sa baba pataas. So, ano yung mga characteristics ng hanging habagat? So, ito ay nangyayari during the month of June to October ng bawat taon. Bakit? Mapapansin natin sa mga panahon ito, dito ay nangyayari yung ating tag-ulan. 'Di ba? Malalakas yung ulan at maraming typhoon during this time because of the southwest monsoon or habagat. So, the wind blow from high pressure to the low pressure area in the Asian continent. So, lower part ng ating bansa ay yung mga bansa na Australia. So, what are the common characteristics? So, during the hanging habagat, ito po ay warm and humid. Then, as I said a while ago, summer or sometimes it brights drought. So, mas piniprepare natin na dumating yung hanging habagat is because para matulungan yung ating mga magsasaka kasi during this time, kailangan natin ng tubig para sa ating mga halaman. So, kapag nagkaroon tayo ng hanging habagat, there is also called formation of ITCZ or Intertropical Convergence Zone. So what do you mean by Intertropical Convergence Zone? So these are the trade winds from North Hemisphere or Northern Hemisphere of our globe or Earth, and Southern Hemisphere bring the tropical air masses from the both of the hemisphere together and they meet along which is called the Intertropical Convergence Zone. So, nangyayari ito kapag nag-meet yung trade winds natin sa North and South Pole. Usually, ito ay nangyayari at the mid of the equator. Okay? So, it lies near the equator and may shift about 10 degrees latitude north and south. So, these air masses are warm. So, warm siya, humid. So, it is a good factor in formation of convective clouds and subsequent heavy precipitation during most part of the year. So, yun yung tinatawag nating intertropical convergence zone. So, nangyayari to at the midst of hanging habagat, no? Kasi yan yung panahon na tag-ulan. So, the Intertropical Convergence Zone or the ITCZ appears as the bands of clouds consisting of showers with occasional thunderstorm that encircles the globe near the equator. So, the solid bands of the clouds may extend for many hundreds of miles and it's sometimes broken into smaller line segments. Okay, so the ITCZ follows the suns in the position varies seasonally. It moves to the north in the northern summer and south in the northern winter. So the ITCZ pronounced as each is what is responsible for the wet and dry season in the tropics. So, ITCC is one of the factor din kung bakit meron tayong wet and dry season near the equator. Yung mga bansa na malapit sa equator, ang ating mga panahon lang ay dalawa. Meron tayong panahon ng wet, and then meron din tayong panahon ng dry or tag-tuyo at tag-ulan. Okay, so ito lamang po yung ating topic about the sea breeze and the land breeze. We have the monsoon, which are hanging habagat and hanging amihan, and we already discussed also the ITCZ or the Intertropical Convergent Zone. So maraming salamat at naway meron kayong natutunan sa ating munting lecture para sa topic po na ito. Maraming salamat.